6 reasons, actually.
Sure.
Isolated. And then they also pick out under D, the manner in which Kemsa evaluated the tender. Is that correct?
Correct.
So this report of the Senate rhymes with your observations in all material respects. Is that not so?
Correct.
At paragraph E, the Senate then discusses the process which led to cancellation. It's titled cancellation of the tender. Is that correct?
Correct.
And they say that though there was no loss of funds, Kemsa lost 70 million shillings.
Yes.
In procurement fees.
Yeah, paragraph 24. Yes.
So in no material respect, this report rhymes with the report of the ESCC.
That is correct.
And there is no reason for you to disown it. You've also been told that conflict of interest is not an issue which has been raised by the mover of the motion. Correct. To the best of your knowledge, does the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act have a clause on conflict of interest and makes it an offense?
Yeah, it does. The Leadership and Integrity Act also does. Yeah.
I will identify to the Senate during my submissions the relevant section which is contained in the motion. Thank you, Mr. Mahmood. And we wish to close with this witness, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you. We will now move to allow honorable senators to ask questions or seek clarifications. Starting with the Senator for Nairobi City County.